What you're seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of money that was made by just doing online surveys. Now, if you don't know, online surveys are just ways you can answer questions and get paid for answering questions based on your opinion. Now, you can make a lot of money by just doing online surveys. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 easy ways for you to earn money in dollars. So if you've been looking for a way for you to earn money in dollars from the comfort of your home, from Nigeria, or maybe you are in any other African countries, then this is a video you should watch to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you 7 easy ways for you to earn in dollars, whether you're in Nigeria or whether you are in any other African countries. So if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajiimam, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So what are we going to cover in today's video? We're going to talk about 7 ways you can make money online in dollars, and then I'm going to show you the business models that you can start immediately and start making money for yourself. All right, so before we get into the video proper, I need you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and making sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I post more videos, you are going to be notified that I have published a video. So having said that, let's quickly jump into the video and look at 7 ways you can start earning in dollars from Nigeria or from any other African countries. Now, number 1 on my list is taking online surveys. Taking online surveys for money can be a legitimate way to earn some extra cash. There are different platforms where you can answer questions and get paid for just answering questions based on your opinion. All right, these platforms help you to get paid either in dollars or in pounds. And now there are different platforms. All you need to do is to know how to join this platform, know how to answer the questions, know how to set up your payment details so that you can receive your money in dollars and then receive it to your local bank account. This is a very, very lucrative way for you to make money without even leaving your home, without having a CV, without having a formal experience. All you need to do is to understand, to learn how this thing works. If you want to learn how to do online surveys, I'm going to drop a link in the description. I'm going to drop a link for you to access where you can start learning how to do online surveys. That's number 1. Number 2 is freelancing. With freelancing, you can offer your skills and your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, or Freelancer, and you can earn in dollars. You can earn in pounds depending on which one you want. But the thing about this is you need to have a skill. You need to have a skill that is highly in demand. Skills like writing, skills like graphic design, skills like web development, skills like copywriting, like digital marketing. All of these skills are skills that people really want to pay for. So if you know how to offer these skills, you can go online on any of these platforms, you can sign up and then set up your gig, set up your payment details, and then once you get hired, you can get paid in dollars. All right, now if you want to learn how this works, you can go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link for you. Check the link in the description. I'll drop a link where you can have access to where you can learn more about how to make money from freelancing. All right, on your screen right now is a screenshot of money that was made from just doing freelancing, from offering skills on these online platforms. All right, that's number 2. Number 3 on my list is content creation. Content creation. Creating and monetizing your content on platforms like YouTube, like TikTok, or personal blog can help you generate a lot of money for yourself. Now, there are different ways you can make money for yourself by just being a content creator. The most important thing here is you must be giving value to people. You must be offering value to people. And number 2, you must stay consistent. You must make sure that your content is high quality, that can attract the kind of people who need what you are offering. Remember, I said number 1 is the value you are offering, and number 2 is your consistency. So if you want to learn how to do this, check the link in the description. I'll show you everything you need to know when it comes to content creation. That's number 3. Number 4 is crypto trading. Crypto trading. I'm sure you must have heard about trading before. Trading cryptocurrencies can be very profitable if you do it correctly on platforms like Binance or Coinbase or Kraken, which allows you to buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies. All right, but the thing about this is you must understand how it works before you go into the business. You don't just go into the business and start putting money. You can lose a lot of money in just a moment if you don't understand how to trade, and that's why it's very important for you to learn this skill properly before you go into it fully. Okay, if you want to learn how to do crypto trading properly, go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link for you there. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5 is affiliate marketing, which is the one I do very well. Okay, affiliate marketing business is a very simple business model. All you need to do here is get a product of somebody who is selling a digital product, promote the product, and then you get paid some commissions. And this is a very easy business model that does not require whether you have laptop or maybe you have a past experience or maybe you have a CV. It doesn't require all of that. What is important is for you to join a platform that is legit and then learn how it works, and then you can start earning from this business. There are different platforms where you can make money as an affiliate. If you want to learn how to make money as an affiliate, I'll also drop the link in the comments in the description. So make sure you check all these things I'm talking about. All right, on your screen right now, this is one of the money that I have earned from just doing affiliate marketing. Look at another one. Can you see? Look at another one. Can you see this now? So these are different. I can go on and on showing you different screenshots of money that was earned from doing affiliate marketing, and many other people who are also making money from this system. So if you want to learn how this works, you need to just join a legitimate platform that has a community. Very important. A legitimate platform that has a community. Okay, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, just go to the link in the description and check for the link. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6 is domain flipping. Domain flipping. Domain flipping involves just buying domain at a cheap price, at a lower price, and then selling it at a higher price. And the beautiful thing here is the return on investment is very high. For instance, you can buy a domain for as low as $10, and then when you're selling, when you're flipping, you sell it at the price of $500. And then when you deduct the money that you spent to buy the domain from your profits, that's a whole lot of money for you. This is a business that a lot of people don't know yet. A lot of people haven't seen this yet, but there are people who are making money. Like, let's say 1% of people are making money from domain flipping, and it is very, very lucrative if you know how to do it. If you want to learn about this, go to the link in the description. I'll drop all the details for you. Okay, now my number 7, which is my last one, is creating and selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products, and you can make a lot of money from anywhere in the world. Whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are in Ghana, whether you are in London, whether you are watching from Kenya, you can sit in your room, create content from what you know, and sell it online and make a lot of money for yourself. You just need to understand how the business works. You just need to understand how to sell. You need to understand what is the exact knowledge you want to sell that people are going to be paying you for. All right. Once you understand all these things, you can put your knowledge together, turn it into a digital product, and make a lot of money for yourself. If you want to learn how to do all of these things I've mentioned, I'll drop a link in the comment section. I'll drop a pinned post in the comment section, and I'll drop a link in the description. So if you want to learn more, just do well to check all of these things. Okay, that is 7 easy ways for you to earn in dollars, whether you're in Nigeria or whether you are in any African countries. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.